Hi guys, most welcome to the another tutorial. First of all, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and then we are going to start the video. In this tutorial, we will discuss that how to use layer styles with the shapes in Adobe Photoshop. First of all, using the layer styles with the shapes in Adobe Photoshop can add depth, textures and the visual interest to your designs. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to use the layer styles with the shapes and to apply the layer styles to shapes follows these steps. The step one is create a shapes layers using the shape tool. Select the shape layers in the layers panel and then go to the layers panel and click on the FX icon at the bottom uh, of the Adobe Photoshop.